Title: Stock Market Tips, How to Make Money from the Stock Market. Intro. Host: Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of stock market investing and share some valuable tips on how to make money from the stock market. If you're new to investing or looking to improve your strategy, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the Basics. Host: Before we jump into the tips, it's essential to understand the basics of the stock market. The stock market is a platform where investors can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. The goal is to buy low and sell high, making a profit from the difference in price. Section 2: Research and choose the right stocks. Host: Now, let's dive into our first tip: research and choose the right stocks. It's crucial to do your homework before investing in any company. Look for companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage, and a history of growth. You can use tools like financial statements, analyst reports, and industry news to make informed decisions. Section 3: Diversify your portfolio. Host: Our second tip is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in a mix of stocks from different industries and sectors. This will help you spread the risk and potentially increase your chances of making a profit. Section 4: Invest for the long term. Host: Tip number 3 is to invest for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it has been shown to provide positive returns over the long run. Focus on building a solid portfolio and hold on to your investments for an extended period, rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits. Section 5: Use dollar cost averaging. Host: Our fourth tip is to use dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the stock price. This approach helps you avoid the pitfalls of market timing and reduces the impact of market volatility on your investments. Finally, tip number 5 is to keep your emotions in check. The stock market can be an emotional roller coaster, with prices rising and falling daily. It's essential to stay disciplined and stick to your investment plan, rather than making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Remember, successful investing is about long-term strategy, not short-term reactions. Outro. Host: And there you have it. Those are our top 5 tips on how to make money from the stock market. Remember to do your research, diversify your portfolio, invest for the long term, use dollar cost averaging, and keep your emotions in check. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. End screen. Subscribe, watch our latest video, follow us on social media.